Welcome! Today we're exploring the cat command, one of the most fundamental Linux utilities for viewing and working with files. Let's discover all the ways you can use it. Starting with basic cat usage, the cat command displays the contents of files. Simply type cat followed by the file name to view its contents. You can also use cat with multiple file names to concatenate and display them in sequence. This makes it perfect for viewing configuration files, scripts, or any text content. Advanced cat options make output more useful. The -n flag numbers all lines, which is great for scripts and code. -versus shows non-printing characters, helping you spot hidden tabs and spaces. -s squeezes multiple blank lines into one. -a shows all characters, including tabs as $i and line endings as $. Practical applications of cat include concatenating multiple files. By redirecting output with the greater than operator, you can combine files. The append operator double greater than adds to existing files without overwriting. You can also pipe cat output to other commands like grep, sort, or wc for powerful text processing. Create new files using here documents with cat and the less than syntax. These techniques make cat a powerful tool for file manipulation. Great job! You now understand how to use cat for viewing files, displaying with line numbers, and combining files efficiently. Master these techniques, and you'll